Alright, on our first coaster of the day. Just a little kiddie coaster, so nothing too exciting, but our first credit of this trip. This is gonna be wild, man. I'm excited. Oh dear. Whoa! Into a helix. Whee! Alright. Marsh Mayhem. Alright. Marsh Mayhem. We're going up. It's a normal wild mouse. It's a normal mock wild mouse. I'm not too concerned about this one. Wild mouses aren't my favorite model, though. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Oh. Oh, God. This thing is... We are humming right now, oh God. Oh. Alright, we're on the last turn. Oh God. Alright, now we're heading down. Oh jeez. A little pop-up air time here. Oh, into a sudden brake run. And here we go. Alright, here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Alright, one more series of drops here. Whoa! Into the brake run. Woo! Alright, here we go. Coaster credit number 3 on the day. And of course, it is a beautiful kitty credit. We love the kitty credits. And I believe we go around twice on this, so we're gonna get an extra time here. Oh dear. Whee! Oh God. Whoa! Oh, now we're slowing down. Those first 2 turns, they were pretty sharp, but that one was very slow. Whoa! One more time. One more time. One more time. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm not ready for this. Whee! Oh God. That went just so oddly slow, that one turn. Oh God. And there we go, into the station. Alright. Going back through the station on Boomerang. Oh God. Alright, well, you know, I've been on these before. And like I said, could be rough, could be okay. We'll have to see, but love the fresh coat of paint though on it. It definitely looks really nice. Oh geez, almost there. Whoa, okay. Oh God, oh God. Oh. And into the loop. Woo! Oh, here we go. And up to the top of the hill. Oh. Okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. But we got one other half of this coaster left to go. Almost to the top. All right. And there we go. Whee! Oh, God. Oh, into the Cooper loop. Oh, God. This always disorients me. Oh, gosh. Oh, God, I'm dizzy. All right, here we go. Vekoma SLC, suspended looping coaster. Typhoon Twister, Twisted Typhoon. I can't remember the exact name off the top of my head, but should be good. I mean, like I said, all of these coasters here are very well maintained, so very excited to see how this one feels. Over the shoulder restraints is not my biggest fan for the SLCs, but we'll have to see how this is. Oh, God. Oh, here we go. Woo! Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Woo. Okay. Oh. Woo. Oh my gosh.
That's my hot twisted typhoon.
Holy crap. Alright. On Swamp Thing, our last coaster here that we need to go on. And like I said, Vekoma SLC, or sorry, Vekoma Family Suspended Coaster. Definitely the coolest theming that they have here for a coaster. Oh man, here we go.